Hi class, so today and this week we are going to be working on rhyming words. And so it's really important to know what rhyming words sound like so that you can start creating your own rhyming words, and it's okay if they're not real words, and you can start hearing words that rhyme, which is really important when it comes to poetry, when it comes to being able to hear those sounds in words. So rhyming is a really important skill. So we're going to start out with some words. So our first pair that we're going to look at are these two words. We have sheep, and jeep. These two words rhyme because they sound the same at the end. Listen, sh, eep, j, eep. They both have eep at the end. So we have sheep, jeep. Now let's compare it to this word, rug. Listen, sheep, jeep, rug. Okay? Now we already decided that eep is at the end of these two. Let's listen if we hear eep at the end of rug. Ugh. Nope, that's not a rhyming word. What if we made up a word, okay, that goes with these two? Jeep, sheep, reap. Yep, that would be a rhyming word for sheep and jeep because it ends in eep. Okay? Here's our next set. We're going to go back to our rug. We have rug, and we have bug. Listen, rug, bug. Let's look at the words and let's look at the sounds. So let's do rug first. Ugh, rug. The ending sound in rug is ugh. Now let's look at bug. Ugh, bug. Listen, the ending sound is ugh again. Rug, bug. Let's look at this next word and let's see if it rhymes. This is a picture of a mat. We have bug, rug, mat. Does that rhyme? Let's look at the ending sound of mat. At. Mat, rug. Nope, those don't have the same ending sound, right? So if we made up a word that rhymed with rug and bug, it might be mug or lug or sug or jug. All those words rhyme. Okay? A really fun game that you can play with your kiddo, you can sing, is the Banana Fana song. So I'll do it for my name is really Heidi. And so we like to sing this song to practice rhyming words. Heidi, Heidi, bo bitey, banana, fana, bo bitey, me and my mo mighty, Heidi. So we found out that mighty and bitey all rhyme with Heidi. Let's try it with Riley, because I know that Riley might be watching this video. Listen. Riley, Riley, bo bitey, banana, fana, bo bitey, me, my, mo, miley, Riley. So Riley rhymes with Miley and Diley and Kylie and Piley. All those words rhyme with Riley because they have the same ending part of their word is the same. Okay, good luck with those rhyming words this week.